Hello, I'm going to show you how to add a Canvas assignment to your TA class using Google Drive. So I'm going to go into, first my Drive. I created a folder so I could house the TA lessons there. So the 1920 TA lessons, I created that folder. Then I'm going into my shared drives, and I'm going to go to my teacher advisor drive. And I'm going to click on an assignment from last year so that I can add that to my drive. So I'm going to open up to standard 2, that's the lesson I want. I'm going to click on this lesson. Okay, and what I'm going to do is open with Google Slides and wait for Google Magic to happen. And then this is set to view only. Okay, I don't care about that right now. And I'm going to go to File, Make a Copy. So here it's saying, make a copy in that folder. I don't want it to go there. I want it to go to mine. So I click on this here, and I'm going to hit back, getting out of the shared drive, hopefully eventually to my drive. And then I'm going to click on my drive, and then click on that TA folder that I created and hit select. Okay, and then hit OK. And then I'll go and make a copy of that in my Google Drive folder. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same thing. There was like a worksheet thing that went with this lesson. So we have a copy of that. And then so I'm going to go ahead and exit out of those and then go back to this one. Go back. Okay, here's the little worksheety thing that goes with it. So click on that. Open with Google Docs. Again, I'm going to do the same thing. Well, I'll make a copy of it and put it in my Google Drive. So File, make a copy. Okay, and then again, I want to put that in my drive. So keep going back, and then, don't want to do those things. Oh, my drive. And right here. Oh, sorry. Okay, there. That's where I want that. Select. Okay. So then I'll go and make a copy and put it into my drive now. Google Magic works. Yay! So then what I'm going to do is exit out of this. Okay, and I want to put the assignment in Canvas. So exit out of here. Okay, so here's my TA class. I'm going to go into modules, and I'm going to create an assignment in that strand 2 thing. So I'm going to hit plus, and I'm going to put new assignment, and I'm going to call this academic honesty. Hopefully I spelled that right. All right, so academic honesty lesson, and I hit add item. So now here the assignment is created. So now I'm going to click on it so I can edit it. And there's nothing there. So I go to edit, and then I am going to put in the Google Slides here. So on Google Apps, waiting, and see, I already. There we go. And then copy of academic honesty, and I'm going to embed that. So then here, this academic honesty Google slide will be embedded, and then I'm going to come down here and we'll say what's out of 4 points. Okay, and I'll have to change this to my new group, the assignment SAGN. There we go. Add group. Points submission type. So submission, I want them to do that note sheet. So I'm going to do external tool. Click on that. And then I'm going to go back to my drive and click on this. And I'm going to click on this. And I'm going to open with Google Docs. Okay. And then I'm going to click on share. Okay. And I'm going to get the shareable link. And I'm going to change that. Well, this is okay right now. I'm going to change this a little bit. So copy link. Copy link and go over here to this and hit view, and I'm going to hit copy. So right here where it has the view, instead of view, I'm going to change that to copy. And it will force the kids to make a copy of it. And let's see. Oh, actually, we probably want to keep it view. Whoops. Right. Okay, configure external tool and Google Cloud assignment. That's the one that we want. That's when it'll force the kids to make a copy, so we don't have to put copy in there. Okay, and then I'll go through and find TA lessons and copy of academic honesty note sheet, submit. Okay, select. Okay, and then here it is. It set up the worksheet for me. Okay, and then I want to make sure I sync this. This is everyone, and let's pretend this is due the 14th of October. And if I want to make it so they can only view it for a certain time, and then hit save and publish. Right. And then, okay, here's the Google slide for the kids to view. Okay, and then here's the copy of the note sheet that the students will be able to edit. Okay, and they can also pop this out, so if they wanted to have two screens, they could. So they could refer to the PowerPoint on this screen and then edit the document on this one. And that's how you can create a Google Cloud assignment on Canvas.